What is it?
Stop doing this now. Stop doing this to me now.
I should stop doing what? Biaudok or whatever they call you. I have told you severally, stay away from me. I don't know exactly what your problem is.
For once, you've not heard me out. I mean, just listen to me. Even if I was going to vomit nonsense, just hear me out. Yeah?
I should hear you out. Does it look like I have the time to listen to the nonsense you have to say? I want to listen to anything you have to vomit from that mouth of yours. I'm asking you. Udoka, you succeeded in humiliating the prince. Now you are coming after me. Oh, you think I don't know what you want, right? Hapumaka, leave me alone. Leave me alone!
Happy? What's that? What has my dealings with Prince got to do with you and I?
Everything. Oga, everything!
I don't understand.
Who will you understand? Is there anything you ever understand? If you people just enter one position, you carry 700 shoulder pad on your shoulder. Acting like you don't know what is happening. Right?
I don't know.
You don't know? Leave me alone. Hapumaka, leave me alone. Stay away from me. You go like a blind man.
I don't know.
You don't know? Leave me alone. Hapumaka, leave me alone. Stay away from me. You go like a blind man.
This is power to this is power to
Hello. Hello.
What?
How are you?
I'm fine. Can I help you?
What? You don't even know me and you're just being hostile.
I don't know you. And who says I don't know who you are?
Oh, you know me?
Of course everybody knows who you are.
Oh, good, thank you.
Are you not Udoka?
Yeah.
The senator... Oh, sorry. I mean, the ex-senator's son. Not even the current senator. Now listen to me and listen good. Don't you ever in your life try to stop me whenever I'm walking past. Senator's son, my thoughts.
Is this how she deals with people or just me?
Hi. I brought you this. I know you'll be thirsty.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Since you wouldn't leave me alone.
Amara.
Mama, I have told this man separately to let me be. He wouldn't leave me alone. What is wrong with you? Leave me alone! Get out of my father's compound. Out!
Yeah, Ijoma. I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
Is anything going on between the prince and Amara? Don't lie to me. Just tell me the truth.
Udoka, I never wanted to tell you this. But as it stands, I have no option. Amarachi and the prince are in a very serious relationship.
What?
They are. Just that the prince is kind of acting weird these days. He does nothing but cause her a lot of pain and tears. And that is the exact reason I want someone to bring her out of that relationship. The prince...
Wait. Okay, let me ask you another question. And very simple question. Don't lie to me. Just tell me the truth, the way it is. Does she love him?
Yes, she does. But that is because she doesn't have any option.
Okay. Why didn't you tell me all this while? Why? I keep asking you. That's why I keep asking you. The way she hates me is too much. And I keep asking you the same question. Why? Why losing the feelings all this while? I would have allowed it to die a natural death. Why? Why? Gosh.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Just that I thought she deserves someone better. Someone who will treat her like a queen. Someone who will carry her and not the other way round.
The symbol of love, I will have them and hand it over to you. I will love you like never before. I will even beg you, if you wish. So I want to tell you what you mean to me at this point. So all I needed from you was just a little chance to prove my love. Just give me a chance to prove my love. That's all. So you see, somebody's in love now. And that person is in love with you.
The journey of my life, onye kam gakora. Our life of a single mother. Ajirima, amaimi emereya, amaimi emereya, amaimi emereya. Ajirima, amaimi emereya, amaimi emereya.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? See, I understand how you feel, huh? And I know you're not happy with me.
You do not have an idea of how I feel. Not a little. What exactly are you doing here? When last did you see me? You have been hiding under the guise that the senator's son humiliated you to unleash your wickedness on me. Prince Uba, I come to the palace every day to see you. You act like you don't know who I am. You ask your guards to throw me out of the palace, treating me like a piece of shit. I would advise you say what exactly brought you here and get the hell out of my father's compound.
I know exactly where all this are coming from. Yes.
Like I said earlier, you do not know. Now tell me, why are you here? Because of what your sister told you yesterday. You already told lies against me, but thank God I followed you immediately to clear the air. Say what exactly brought you here and leave.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm here now.
What do you want?
Good question. I am here to take you out.
You're here to take me out. Read my lips and read it carefully. I am not going anywhere with you.
Come on, don't do that, okay? Just go in there and put on a very sexy wear, please. Don't keep me waiting. Wow, delicious. Why not eat it?
Can you just tell me why you brought me here? I'm not hungry.
We are here to eat, so go ahead and eat.
Oh well,
Okay.
you have to take me back to my father's house because I am not eating. I'm not hungry.
You must have to eat.
I must have to eat. Just look at the manner with which you speak to me. I don't blame you. Ubaka, I don't blame you at all. You know, I blame myself for throwing myself at you all the time. You have no single respect whatsoever for me. I leave my father's house every day, come to the palace to look for you. Wait from morning till night. All you do is sit by your window, watch me and tell your mates to tell me that you are not in. What sort of man are you? I'm asking. The last time I checked, you told me that you don't have time for love. Instead, you wanted war with your rival, of course. What happened to you fighting your war? Are you tired? No, why are we here? Why did you come to look for me?
Because Yudoka and I are now friends.
Wow. Just wow. And you're not bothered to know how that happened or how it became possible.
I don't need to.
You don't need to. Ubaka, I don't blame you. At Ataronge, I blame myself. I don't blame you at all.
Why are you talking to me so rudely and arrogantly? Is it because we're now two? Huh? Oh, you're not comparing me with him.
And does it look like I'm comparing you with anybody? Baka, I am only stating the obvious.
Listen to me. Whether you like it or not, you are from me. He will never have you as long as I'm alive. Okay?
I knew it. I knew that was the only reason you came back. This is not about me. It's not about you apologizing to me or making me feel better. It's about you. Your pride, your ego. That's the only thing you care about. Of course, you don't want any other person to say, oh, she left me for another man. That is the only reason you came to look for me. Deny it. I am talking to you. Deny it. Get this thing off my face.
It's never in my character to apologize. Maybe that was how I was raised. Maybe because I was born a king. All you said I did to you were true. But right now, I've changed. Okay? I'm a changed man. I believe that we are now free to start from where we stopped. Okay?
Can I go now?
I don't even want you to accept his proposal. As long as I'm alive, he will never have you.
Can I go now?
Did you just hear what I said?
I heard you.
Good. So can I get a goodbye kiss before you go down? Come on. Hey, come on. Good. Good girl. She's acting strange. Very awkward.
Of course, what else do you expect when you've constantly treated her like a piece of shit? And now she's met someone who is pampering her like a queen. Yeah, treating her like a diamond that she is. You know what this saying? That you never know what you have until you lose it. It's playing out right before your very face. You know, you can't keep treating one like a nobody and you expect them to keep hanging around you forever. Things doesn't work that way. You're lost.
So what are you trying to say? That she's going to leave me for Udoka? Is that what you're saying?
I never said that, but the last time I checked, it's still her life and her choice. She has every right to choose who to date and who not to date, and who to marry, and who not to marry.
It's a lie. She doesn't have such right. She's mine, and mine alone.
Wow. Very funny. You're just blabbing, bro, because the last time I checked, this lady is still single. She's not married to you yet, right? Or is she?
See, let me tell you something. As long as I'm alive, breathing, Udoka will never have her. I will not let that happen.
If you see the way I spoke to him, I told him ancient and modern. I'm sure he was surprised. He was wondering where I got this boldness from.
Very good. Very good. So all of a sudden, he remembered to take you out because he's afraid that Udoka will see you away from him.
No, he thinks that I am a baby. Tata. But my dear, I told him. I gave him a piece of my mind.
You did?
Uh-huh.
And what did he say?
But of course, you know the prince. Very proud. He said that never in this life, in his lifetime, would he see me leave him and go to Udoka.
Imagine. Ina anokwa jambede. Goji bulonye. King of kings says and DSA. Got to be able. I beg him may shift. Shift like I funded them Mabiko.
Amara. But the thing is, I cannot see myself leaving the prince for Udoka. If it were to be somebody else, another man entirely, I would do it. But I can't leave the prince and go to Udoka. No, I can't.
Amara Chuku. Genna. Ijikwa fu anyai. Can you hear yourself talk? Huh?
But truth be told, I'm having mixed feelings. I don't even know how to go about it. I don't know, but I think I'm beginning to develop feelings for Udoka. He's a good man.
Very good man.
There is no woman that will meet Udoka. I mean, the kind of love he shows to me. And that woman with her eyes wide open would leave him for another man. He has value for love. He has respect for a woman. But I don't just know how to go about it. I don't see it happening. No, it cannot happen. Imagine the rivalry going between two of them. If I leave the prince for him, what would people say? What would the prince himself think?
You are talking nonsense. Well, if people say rivalry, see, let me tell you. As far as I am concerned, you are a single girl, 1,000,000% single. And this is the perfect time for you to make the better choice. Make a good choice.
You are just talking because we are not on the same show. I am dating a prince. They're two different things. Dating a prince and a common man. There are two different things in them.
Dating a common man is far better than dating Prince Tolo Tolo. Prince Okuko. Neko, kagari abwelu mili. Tolo me yanga. Boom. Oko. Prince, my foot.
Yeah. I'll be going to Abuja tomorrow morning.
That's good for you.
Your driver and one of your orderlies will accompany me to Owerri Airport in the morning.
You don't need to take permission from me for something that belongs to you.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome, son.
She's in a serious relationship. I think the best thing for me is to leave this village so that I'll take her off my mind.
I'll miss you, sir.
I'll miss you too. Well, I will stay a little longer, but be coming around to check on my father. Hmm?
Sir, remember, love always wins.
Love has won.
Let me put the bag in.
It's alright. Yeah. Engineer, please. Always be sure that everything is in place.
Okay, sir.
If there's any problem, all you need to do, ring me. I will always leave my phone on for 24 hours.
Sure, I will.
Hmm? If you want to get any material, call me and then we'll see to that.
Okay, boss.
Hmm?
Yeah, okay. No problem.
Good.
Safe journey.
Thank you.
But boss, anything for your boy.
Engineer, you like money. That's why they used to beat you.
Boss, we need to... Well, boss, we need to survive that.
It's alright. I will send money to you.
Okay, boss. Yeah. Safe journey.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Hello, morning sunshine. The beauty of the gods. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you very much.
Your friend told me about your relationship with the prince. It's okay. I can see that both of you are madly in love. And I won't come against it, because if I truly love you, I should be happy for you or for whatever good that is coming in your way. Becoming a queen in this kingdom, with lots of beautiful maidens that we have here, they really want to achieve that. So, seeing you walking towards that is okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, shouldn't be a barrier to that, Yeah, well, who am I? I'm heading back to my base, but I'll stop by at the palace to see the prince, and as well I need to tell him to take good care of you.
That's very thoughtful of you, and thank you too.
It's okay. Okay, this for your son and you.
You know about him too?
Well, I knew about him yesterday, but it's okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, it's okay. It's just nothing. Just take good care of yourself, eh?
I will. You too.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Mom, what is it? Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing, and you're crying. Mom, let me talk to you. I am your mother. The truth is what I'll tell you. Listen, my dear, as long as the prince has not paid your bride price, you're neither his wife nor his slave. When you search your heart and you find out that Udoka is the right person for you, my dear, follow your heart. Because it's better to have a broken engagement than a broken marriage. Marriage is a serious thing. Marriage is not a child's play. Oh, now that you've had a child at home, it's not good for you to have a broken marriage again. So follow your heart and follow the man that loves you truly. Oh, mom, it's okay. It's okay. Don't be confused. Don't be confused, oh? Ozugo. Ozugo. Ozugo.
My prince.
Udo, how are you?
Well, I'm good.
You're welcome.
Good. How is His Majesty? How is he doing?
He's fine.
Okay. Can I see him?
No, you cannot see him. He's not up yet. No one goes into the chamber till he's up.
Well, okay. Actually, I'm heading to Owerri airport, heading back to my base. I decided to come and say goodbye.
That was thoughtful of you.
And I should be on my way now.
It's okay. You have a nice day.
Good.
Safe trip.
I was told that you are in a serious relationship with Amara. I'm very sorry about what happened that day. It was just a harmless hug.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm no longer angry.
Good luck for you people. Actually, when I heard about your relationship, I had to, kill my intentions on her. If truly that I love her, I should be happy that she's about getting married to the prince, being the next king of this kingdom. So I wish you people best of luck, and please take good care of her.
I will.
Okay, good.
You're a good-hearted man. I appreciate you.
Thank you once again.
You're welcome.
Good.
Safe trip.
Ijoma, I am confused. I don't know what to do anymore. You see, I have loved the prince all my life. I couldn't live a day without him. I couldn't imagine a moment or even a second without him. But now this young man irritates me, and I don't know why.
You do, baby girl. It is now crystal clear to you that the prince never loved you. It has been you all this while dying for him, when he does not have even a single value for your personality. That is why, baby girl.
You know the most surprising thing? I have fascinated all my life getting married to this man. I mean, it was my dream. I sleep and wake up dreaming that I am going to get married to the prince. But right now, it doesn't feel that way anymore. You know, I even feel like calling off the relationship.
You still have so much time to do that. Udoka is just a phone call away from you.
You still don't get the point, do you?
What point?
I can't be with Udoka either.
Why?
Listen, I don't want people to think, including the prince, to think that I left him because I wanted to be with the senator's son. I wouldn't want to create such impression. No, I wouldn't.
So what do you intend to do?
Well, I have decided to just live my life. Just be happy. If God brings another man my way, fine. But if he doesn't, I'm contented with my son.
No, please don't go there. I won't allow you to do such. I mean, I cannot advise you to do such. It's not making sense.
Why?
Listen, Amara. If you're leaving the prince for Udoka, it is understandable. But you not choosing any of them automatically makes you a loser. Since you said you don't want Udoka, my friend, marry the prince so that you will not lose on both ends. That is, if the prince wants to marry you. Because from the way he's acting and treating you like an outcast, I don't see him as someone in love that is even thinking of something serious with you, not to talk of getting married to you. You should just think about it.
This is power tosu. This is power tosu. Government and royalty. Government and the world.
Hi.
Good morning, my friend.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. I can see you guys are catching phone.
Yes, my friend.
Okay. Okay. Amara. Actually, I was heading to your house.
Oh, okay, it's fine. You can go to the house and wait for me. I'm just seeing her off. She wants to show me something.
No, it's okay. It's okay. You can continue to where you're going to. I just came to inform you that our engagement will be tomorrow night at the palace.
Our engagement party.
Yeah. You can come with your friend. There's gonna be a little get together. Yeah, I love that smiles. That's good.
Okay. All right. I'll inform my mother as well.
It's okay. I'll be on my way now, eh?
All right.
Well, Jenna will angle oh? Jenna will angle Tomorrow night, okay? Yeah, good.
Because of your ego. Because you are in a high position.
Congratulations! What is your own self? Today you are yellow, tomorrow you are white, next tomorrow you are black. Choose a
Not
struggle
like
now.
that, nah, Mara.
No, choose a struggle.
It's not like that. You know, I thought he never loved you. In fact, I thought he never had any plans of making you his wife. But now, he has proven otherwise. Ashebi loading.
No, Ashebi. Who told you are going to be in Ashebi? Put your shoulder pad down.
We coming down.
Who's putting you in Ashebi? Mama? Yes, Amara. The prince said our engagement is tomorrow night.
He said that.
Yes.
Amarachi.
Mama.
Amarachi.
Mama.
Amara.
Mama.
Are you sure this is what you want? My dear, I want you to know that you are not under any obligation to marry the prince by force. We are not owing the prince. You are not a slave under him. Are you sure you are not going to consider the senator's son? Have you really searched your heart? And this is what you want? If that's what you want, my dear, follow your heart. Your happiness is paramount.
Mama, if it were somebody else, I would have given it a second thought. I mean, I would have gladly left the prince for that person. But if it's the senator's son, Udoka, it's a no-no, Mama. It won't go down well. It's just better I stick with the prince, Mama.
Amarachi, Mama. Udoka Otabelugomeji. No problems. If that's what you want, I'll give you all my support.
Oh, thank you, Mama. Thank you very much.
It's all right.
Happy, oh. Let me help you.
Okay, Rolam. Hi.
My people, I greet you. You are all welcome. I believe we all know why we are here today. Well, my son has finally decided to do the needful. So we are here to witness him making a choice of his wife today. He will soon engage his heartbeat, his sweetheart, the dream of his life. And I here, the father, without mincing words, I have to tell you, I am filled with joy, overwhelmingly happy. And I believe that the mother, that her soul rest in peace, wherever she is today, she will equally be very happy. Obaka,
Father,
as you can see, the ball is in your court. You have to rise and show the whole people gathered here, the elders, our well-wishers, our mother-in-law. Show us who that your dream, the dream of your life is.
Cha 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 cha, ndị be anyị kwenu. Ndị be anyị lienu. Mụọnụ.
That's the son of the father.
That's the dog walker.
You marry me?
Yes.
Prince, I know you have eyes for good things.
Oh, give him all go.
Clap your hands for Thank you, my son. You are now a full-fledged man. Eh? see, this royal wedding is going to be a wonderful time because it's going to be one of its kind in this community. Because my friends from other kingdoms, kings, queens, princes, princesses, and other royal dignitaries will be in attendance.
Wow.
So that's why I want my son and every other person involved in the planning to plan a very solid occasion. It's going to be a wonderful event.
And that's why I suggested we employ a good, renowned, professional event planner that knows his or her job. Like the one who did Chief Okaka's grandson's naming ceremony.
You are very good. You are very observant.
You see, they did it perfectly well. It was a nice job. The whole thing there was in a good shape. Yeah, and I believe she's the best in the business down here in the eastern part of this country.
You are very correct. And that is exactly what we are going to do. Except if your wife has a different view.
Oh, no, my king. We already discussed it. Considering the volume of the events, we want to lift every other burden off our shoulders and just concentrate on our union.
Very good. I'm so happy for you.
What are you doing?
I'm not here to see you. I'm here to see your father.
You cannot see my father for any reason.
Really?
Yes.
Then watch me leave. Leave me alone! Don't you lay your filthy hands on me, you beast!
I am talking to you. Don't move.
Watch me move again.
Hey!
Leave me alone!
Come back here and stand here.
Get out!
Obaka! Let her be!
Mother, she's...
Get out!
Let her be! You're welcome. Greetings, my daughter. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Please, who are you and who are you looking for?
My name is Angela Musi. My father was the past governor of the state, Mr. Uchimitsu.
Uchimitsu?
Yeah.
Wow. You're welcome.
Thank you, Igwe.
So,
I bring you good news. You're welcome. Thank you so much.
Yeah? This is a pregnancy test.
Yes, it
Pregnancy test result.
is. Yes, it is.
So, what do I have to do with it?
It's for me. I am pregnant. And you are going to be a grandfather very soon. This is the family.
What?
this is not our normal love-making visit. I am here for something very important.
So what could be more important than us? Our happiness, our joy?
I want us to end this whole thing.
End what?
End us. End this relationship.
Why? Why is that?
Because I've decided to marry Amara. And our engagement party is tomorrow night.
I didn't see that. What?
Yeah, hello. I'm at the hotel right now. Room what? 306. Okay, I'll be right there. Okay.
Hold on, please. Oh, my prince. You are cute. Finally.
Wow.
Now I have my prince standing in front of me. Flesh.
Wow. 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 What am I saying?
How are you?
You know what?
That was so good.
You know, you look more prettier and more sexier in real life than on the social media.
You can say that again.
No, I'm saying it again. You look more prettier, more beautiful
Thank
than
you.
on Facebook and Instagram.
Thanks. What can I offer you? Should we? You want to join me in the room? So you want to make a fresh order?
Now, let's start with this first. But before then, can you turn this? Just turn it around. Damn. Damn.
Listen.
Wow.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my dear.
You can sit here.
Okay.
How's it been? There's something that's bothering me.
And what could that be?
Okay. You're a prince. You're royalty. I'm just curious. I just want to know if you have somebody in your life, and if you do not have, I know probably your father would have kept a bride for you or something. I just know you have a woman in your life. Now the thing is, I want to know what we're doing. What's my position in your life?
There is no such thing. My father did not keep any bride for me.
Okay, so you're telling me that you don't have any relationship?
Not really. Apart from one girl I met in a bad condition when I came back from the States, you know. I met her and felt pity for her and decided to help her. Then one thing led to another. We started seeing each other. But I noticed that she had a son for someone else. I mean, I can't imagine seeing myself marrying a low class. I can't just get married to her.
So are you still seeing her? Are you guys still seeing each other?
Of course, yes. Of course, yes. But she is not my final destination.
Interesting. Am I?
Of course, you are everything I want in a woman. You're beautiful. You're heavily endowed. You're awesome. You're intelligent. You know, you're just everything I want in a woman. And above all, you have a surname.
I love you so much, babe.
Bro, how did it go?
She's pregnant for real. I think the baby is mine.
So what becomes of Amara then?
I need some time to think.
Can you please excuse me?
Yes, my face.
Thank you.